Welcome back to my Road Power TV channel. Performance. The 2025 Chrysler 300 offers two robust engine options. The standard model comes equipped with a 3.6-liter V6 engine, delivering a smooth and responsive driving experience. For those seeking more power, there's an available 5.7-liter Hemi V8 engine that produces up to 363 horsepower. Both engines are paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, ensuring seamless gear shifts and optimal fuel efficiency. Speaking of efficiency, the V6 engine offers approximately 19 miles per gallon in the city and 30 on the highway, making it a practical choice for both city commuting and long-distance travel. Moving on to design, the 2025 Chrysler 300 maintains its classic, bold aesthetic with modern enhancements. The exterior features a distinctive front grille, sleek lines, and available LED headlights that not only improve visibility but also add a touch of sophistication. The vehicle sits on 18-inch painted aluminum wheels, contributing to its commanding presence on the road. Inside, the Chrysler 300 offers a luxurious cabin designed with comfort and convenience in mind. Premium materials adorn the spacious seating, providing ample room for all passengers. The driver and front passenger seats are power adjustable, allowing for personalized comfort settings. The rear seats offer generous legroom, ensuring that even long journeys are comfortable for all occupants. When it comes to technology, the 2025 Chrysler 300 is equipped with a user-friendly infotainment system. The centerpiece is a 10.1-inch touchscreen display that provides access to navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. The system supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing seamless integration of your smartphone for hands-free calls, messaging, and access to your favorite apps. Additionally, the available Uconnect Family Theater package adds screens and entertainment options for rear passengers, making it an excellent choice for families. Safety is a paramount concern, and the 2025 Chrysler 300 doesn't disappoint. It comes equipped with a suite of advanced safety features, including adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and lane departure warning. These systems work together to enhance driver awareness and help prevent potential accidents. The vehicle's sturdy construction and multiple airbags provide added peace of mind for you and your passengers. In terms of pricing, the 2025 Chrysler 300 offers competitive options within the luxury sedan market. The base model starts at approximately $52,800, offering a range of standard features that provide excellent value for the price. For those interested in additional performance and luxury features, higher trim levels are available, with the top-tier SRT model priced around $78,430. In conclusion, the 2025 Chrysler 300 seamlessly blends performance, luxury, and advanced technology. Its powerful engine options and elegant design make it a compelling choice for those seeking a premium driving experience. Whether you're navigating city streets or embarking on a long-distance journey, the Chrysler 300 is designed to deliver comfort, style, and reliability. Thank you for joining us in this review. If you found this information helpful, please like and subscribe for more automotive insights.